Happy morning to one and all. Today we are discussing topic K types of securities, that is debentures. In this session we can clearly know that what do you mean by debentures, features of debentures and classification of debentures. Let us move the topic debentures. So in this slide we can clearly show the picture to all of you, that is classification of corporate securities classified into two types. One is ownership securities, second one K-type securities. In the ownership securities divided into three types. One is ordinary or equity shares, second one preferential shares, third one deferred shares. Now today topic is about K-type securities and it will classify into one type, that is debentures. Let us move on to topic debentures. Debentures are another kind of security traded in the capital market. A debenture is an acknowledgement of debt by a company. My dear students, if the company wants to acquire a capital, the company has two options. One is equity option, second one is debt option. So the company, if wants more money, the company goes for a debt market. Let us discuss a thorough knowledge about of debentures. In this slide we are discussing the topic about features of debentures. The first one is a fixed rate of interest is paid in debentures. So if the persons one who buys the debentures, they are called as debenture holders. So the company will pay them a fixed rate of interest for their investing in debentures. For example, if a person buys the equity shares, the company will give the dividends. Likewise, if the person buys the debentures, they pay the interest. That is one of the key feature of debenture. The second point is the maximum interest paid on payable on these debentures was 14%. So if the person purchase the debentures, they almost get the interest of 14% of their capital. The recently, but how it has been relaxed. The next one, the interest gained on them is deductible expenditure. For example, if a person purchase debenture, the gain on the interest is deductible expenditure from income tax. And next point, that is these are traded on the stock exchange. Stock exchange is nothing but a place where buying of selling of securities in the market is called as stock exchange. Likewise, equity shares, the debentures also trade on the stock exchange. The next feature is secured by a charge on immutable property, that is we can down on the fixed assets of the company when it is winding up. My dear students, winding up means it is nothing but it comes to an end of the life of the company is called as winding up. So if the company has closed, compulsory they have to pay the money for the debenture holders. How they pay for the debenture holders means they should pay amount by selling of their immutable properties like buildings or lands, etc. So by this point we can analyze that one who invests in the debentures, they have no risk at all. That is one of the main feature of debentures. And the next main feature is interest on debentures is payable even there is a loss. So for example, if a company has get the losses, compulsory the interest should be payable for the debenture holders. This is the about of features of debentures. Let us move the next slide. In this slide, we are discussing the topic about of classification of debentures in a clear picture manner. The first one is on the basis of record. It can be classified again two types. One is registered debentures, second one bearer debentures. And second point, on the basis of security, again classified into two types. One is secured or mortgage debenture, second one unsecured debenture, and third one is on the basis of redemption, classified into two types. One is redeemable debentures, second one is non-redeemable debentures. Fourth one, on the basis of convertibility, classified into two types. One is countable debentures and second one is non-countable debentures. Let us now discuss one by one topic in depth. In this slide, we discuss the topic of classification of debentures. What have earlier said, debentures may be classified into on the basis of record point of view. On the basis of record point of view, you are classified into two types. One is registered debentures, second one is bearer debentures. Let us discuss about registered debentures. Registered debentures are the debentures that are registered with the company. The amount of such debentures is payable only to those debenture holders whose name appears in the register of the company. Second one is bearer debentures. These are the debentures which are not recorded in a register of the company. Such debentures are transferable merely by delivery. So, by this definition, we can know that every debenture holders has to register with the company. Let us move the next slide. In this slide, we are discussing topic on the basis of security. It is classified into two types. One is secured or mortgage debentures. Second is called unsecured debentures. Let us discuss about first one, secured or mortgage debentures. These are the debentures that are secured by a charge on the assets of the company. These are also called as mortgage debentures. The holders of secured debentures have the right to recover their principal amount with the unpaid amount of interest on such debentures out of the assets mortgaged by the company. For example, if a company has failure or get the losses, the company has to pay the amount for the debenture holders because the holders given the right to recover their principal amount. And second one is unsecured debentures. Debentures which do not carry any security with regard to the principal amount or unpaid interest are unsecured debentures. These are also called simple debentures. So, if the one who purchased unsecured debentures, they don't have any right to receive the principal amount or unpaid interest for their debentures. Let us move the next slide. In this slide, we discuss the topic about on the basis of redemption. On the basis of redemption, again classified into two types. One is redeemable debentures, second one is non-redeemable debentures. Redeemable debentures are the debentures which are issued for a fixed period. The principal amount of such debentures is paid off to the holders on the expiry of such period. So, the payment for the debentures holders, the amount will be given at a fixed period. We are coming to topic non-redeemable debentures. These are the debentures which are not redeemed in the lifetime of the company. Such debentures are paid back only when the company goes to liquidation. So, my dear students, liquidation is nothing but if the company was winding up, the company will appoint liquidator because he disposed the assets. So, when he disposed the assets, the company decides how much money should be given for their debenture holders. So this is the part of it called as liquidation. So the debentures will get only when the company ends. There is no payment for their amount. Let us move the next topic, that is on the basis of convertibility. On the basis of convertibility, we are divided into two types. One is countable debentures, second one is non-countable debentures. Let us discuss about countable debentures. These are the debentures that can be converted into shares of the company on the expiry of pre-decided period. So for example, if a debenture holder wants to convert their debentures into share, the company will give some period to convert their debentures into shares. And second one is non-convertible debentures. The holders of such debentures cannot convert their debentures into the shares of the company. So the persons one who does not show interest to convert their debentures into shares, they are called as non-convertible debenture holders. Thank you.